Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Recording in
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I'll just wait for everyone to join in and then I start. Okay, I guess most of you are already in and I can start. Students, my voice is audible?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
All right. So it looks like you all had a great session in the morning PowerPoint presentation in your environmental studies lecture. How was it?
Excellent,
Good,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good, ma'am.
Okay.
बहुत मजा आया.
Okay. Oh, can you please share your
Yes,
experience?
ma'am.
हर एक ने
How
अपने
did
अपने
you?
प्रेजेंटेशन दिए मैम.
क्या? Can you repeat again?
हर एक ने अपने अपने प्रेजेंटेशन दिए.
Okay. All right. Okay, very nice. So I think this way of doing PPT uh, presentation in the classroom, it helps you in uh, so many ways, right? Like you get a chance
Yes,
to
ma'am.
explore. Yes, you get a chance and opportunity to express your thought process. फिर आपका communication improve होना, like confidence build up होना. I think all this. Just one minute, Sarita is in the waiting room. Okay, yeah. See, all this is going to students really help you in your at your job place in future.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I look forward for more PowerPoint presentations, group discussions, and debates. Okay, let us also have some debate or group discussion in the coming week. Tomorrow being Sunday, give me some time to think over a great topic, think over some good topic, okay, and I'll get back to you. All right.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. Fine. Then I'm sharing the screen and we will start the answer. Please tell me if the screen is visible or not. Just a moment. Yeah, I think it should be visible.
It is, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. All right. So in the last session, in fact, last two sessions, we have been studying this theory of motivation, particularly theory Z, which was developed by William Haughey. So students, this theory is a blend of American management practices and Japanese management practices. The outcome of this theory is very beautiful. Like we have discussed some interesting features of the theory. For example, point number one was mutual trust. So, according to Oki, there should be mutual trust element in the organization. Okay? People should have trust amongst them, amongst the people, amongst all the members who are working in the organization. Right. This will help to minimize the conflicts among them and develop team spirit. Then we have also seen second point, which was a strong bond between organization and employees. So what can company do is come up with something called lifetime guaranteed lifetime employment, which will develop loyalty, okay, and will develop strong bond between the company and the employees, okay. Then we have seen employee involvement. So the theory also suggests that employees should be involved in important matters, at least in those matters affecting them. Okay. Then point number four that we have discussed is integrated organization. That means companies should focus on people relations. Okay, and should encourage friendly atmosphere instead of forming formal structure or divisions or charts. Okay, instead of that, should place more emphasis on people relation. An example of which was job rotation that we have discussed in detail. Then we have seen coordination, wherein William Oakley suggests that, I think he suggests that for any organization to be successful, there should be a great coordination amongst different teams working in the same company. Okay. And then we have also seen informal control system, wherein William Oakley suggested that, there should be a informal relation that exists within the company. Okay, the emphasis should be more on mutual trust and cooperation. Okay, unnecessary control and supervision should be avoided. Okay, and then seventh point was very interesting. Correlation of HRD with the theory. It's that, students, this theory is a hybrid system which includes the strength of American management and Japanese management. Okay, so this theory can be implemented in most of the Indian companies, and Maruti Udyog has already done that. They have kept their workplace system as it's been so designed that, it involves open offices. Okay, so that people know what they are doing. Okay, there is more transparency. Okay, and certain things and certain practices, like, to avoid status differentials, one can come up with something called common uniform for everyone, common canteen for everyone, right? So this can be done to to have better relations with your employees. स्टूडेंट्स, ये मैंने रिकैप किया है, रिवीजन किया है, हमने ऑलरेडी डिटेल में इसको डिस्कस किया था, करेक्ट ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. All right, guys. Then now, let us go ahead with the limitations. Point number one was already done. Okay. See, every theory, which may have advantages, will also have certain limitations. Okay. So, I'm so sorry. So, few limitations that are listed here is point number one that we discussed on that day is if you provide lifetime employment to your employees, students, this is definitely going to give them job security. However, you imagine this that, your people are having lifetime employment. Now they are secure. Now they know that, their job is not going to be taken back. So they might not show creativity, they might not show involvement. Okay, chances are they will also compromise on their dedication at work, because they know that, even if they are not doing quality work, nobody is going to remove them, right? I think it is going to make people more lethargic and lazy. See, आपको पता है कि कोई आपको जॉब से निकालने नहीं वाला है, आप इवेंचुअली आप अपने मर्जी से काम करोगे, है ना, लेजी होके काम करोगे, उतना कंसंट्रेशन नहीं दोगे, राइट? सो this is one of the first limitation. Okay. Also, high chances are if you are retaining people and giving them lifetime employment. Okay, those who are talented is a nice thing. उनके लिए आप lifetime employment दे रहे हो तो आपको in return अच्छा ही favorable response आएगा. But people who are incapable, people who are inefficient, अगर आप उनको permanent employees बना देते हो, long-term disaster to your organization. These lethargic people, this inefficient people are going to work with you. Okay, so quality will not be there. So this is point number one, that do not give lifetime employment. Instead, I think you can do something called make your employees your partners. है ना, वो कर सकते हो. Cash incentives मत दो, employees को partner बनाओ. Tell them that put your best in the project and I will give you प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग. ओके, अब ये प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग एक नया टर्म, एक ये ऐसा वर्ड सुन के एम्प्लॉइज को क्या लगेगा, अच्छा मतलब मैं जितना मैक्सिमम दूंगा प्रोजेक्ट को, जितना मैक्सिमम प्रोजेक्ट में इनकम या रेवेन्यू यील्ड होगा, उसका मेरे को प्रॉफिट मिलने वाला है. तो ऑब्वियसली ही इज गोइंग टू पुट 100%, राइट? So instead of giving lifetime guarantee to the lifetime employment guarantee to the employees, आप क्या करो, उनको पार्टनर्स बनाओ. Let us see. I hope there is no doubt in point number one.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That provision of lifestyle.
No, ma'am.
No,
is an
ma'am.
option. Okay. Thank you so much for your replies. So we move on to the second one. That is participation of employees in the decision-making process. Sarika, can you read that?
Yes, ma'am. Participation of employees in the decision-making process is very difficult. Managers may dislike participation as it may hurt their ego and freedom. Employees may be ridiculed to participate due to fear of criticism and lack of motivation. Even if they sit along with management, they may contribute little unless they understand the issues and take initiative. Involvement of all employees may also slow down the decision-making process.
Okay, now you try to understand this limitation from different perspectives. Okay. See, if I'm involving all my employees when I'm taking a decision, don't you think, students, it's a time waste? Okay, there are certain matters where employees' involvement is not required. And if I have to, before taking a decision, assemble every employee, call for a meeting, talk to them, discuss, shoot a mail, ये सब करने में हम कितना time waste कर देंगे, correct ना? So this is one of the limitation that every time participation of employees is not possible. You all are working. You all have to complete your task and get the targets, right? अब उसके बीच में बार-बार meeting बुलाना, decision making के लिए आपका suggestion लेना, it's a waste of time. Then also sometimes it may happen that some managers may not like or may feel hurt when employees are giving their suggestions because it may hurt their ego, okay, managers ego, but I think this is very wrong. Okay? Managers should take it in a positive way when employees are giving their suggestions, okay? But this is a limitation because not all managers are going to be same. There might be some managers who are having ego in them. Okay. And then also students, many a times, what happens is employees do not participate much. Reluctant, यानी थोड़ा दूर रहता है कि they do not want to participate much in the decision making process or in the discussion because they fear criticism. Okay. उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैंने कुछ suggestion दिया और वो अच्छा नहीं लगा तो what if I will be criticized? Okay. And lack of motivation. मुझे कुछ बदले में मिलेगा नहीं idea share करके. Why should I give ideas to people, right? So this is the another limitation of this theory. I hope it is easy to understand that getting
Yes,
employee
ma'am.
participation
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
is very
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
because people fear criticism and at the same time, okay, every time you cannot be calling your employees for for a meeting to take any decision. Thank you guys for your reply. It really motivates me that you are able to understand the answer. Very quick recap of what we have done so far. We started with limitations of theory Z. Theory Z is a very beautiful theory we have discussed in detail. We have seen such interesting features and outcome of this theory. Okay, we started with the limitation. And point number one is provision of lifetime employment might make your employees lethargic. Okay, and also you make a mistake of giving lifetime employment to some incapable and inefficient employees. फिर point number 2 हमने जो study किया वो ये था that getting participation from every employee is difficult and also every time involving employees is not an easy task. Okay, it is lot of time consuming activity and sometimes कुछ चीजें intellectual level पे होनी चाहिए वहाँ पे आप workers को involve करके क्या करेंगे है ना, so it becomes a time waste. Let us move to the next point. All
Theory
right,
Z,
Sarita.
yes, ma'am. Theory Z suggests organization without any structure, but without structure, they may be chorus in the organization has nobody will know who is responsible to whom.
इतना ध्यान से सुनो, थ्योरी Z में विलियम ऑकी ने क्या सजेस्ट किया है कि आप ना फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर मत बनाओ. Don't keep someone as a boss and someone as a manager and someone as subordinates. Keep everyone on equal level. Okay? It sounds very nice. It sounds very positive. Also little philosophical. Because अगर हम structure नहीं बनाते हैं, okay, so what is going to happen is there will be chaos in the company. Nobody will know किसको report करना है, how to get the work done. See students now, for example, in this institute, okay, we have so many courses, right? BAF, BMS, BPI, BSCIT, BMS. We have segregated, na guys. We have kept class teachers, we have coordinators, then we have principal sir, then we have management members. This is a hierarchy, right? So people know that this is the structure. Okay? मुझे पता है as a student, for example, I know I'm first supposed to report it to the student leader. Okay? अगर मुझे लग रहा है मेरे को student leader से आंसर नहीं आ रहा है या हेल्प नहीं आ रहा है, I'll report it to the class teacher. वहां से नहीं मेरे को sufficient help मिल रहा है, I'll report it to the coordinator. मुझे coordinator से help नहीं मिल रहा है, I'll report it to the principal sir. है ना? तो ये क्या है? ये स्ट्रक्चर है. बच्चे को मालूम है कि this is the level of hierarchy. अगर ये एब्सेंट होता, ओके, तो क्या स्टूडेंट आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते कि आप अपना प्रॉब्लम्स किसको बताओगे? नहीं ना, करेक्ट ना स्टूडेंट्स? यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू identify who's the right person
Yes,
to
ma'am.
discuss your
Yes,
problem
ma'am.
with, right?
Yes,
तो ये
ma'am.
जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाया हुआ है, फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर बनाया हुआ है, इसलिए आपको पता है whom you're supposed to talk to, whom you're supposed to go to and get solutions for your problem, right? In absence of this, you will be blind, you will be clueless, you will be directionless. कि भाई जाना किसके पास में है, right? Similarly, in organizations also, if there is lack of formal structure, how would any employee know that किसको report करना है? Okay, how do I update about the task being completed? How do I discuss the problems in the project? No, it's not possible, right? So therefore, this becomes the next limitation, that theory is sounding way too philosophical. Okay? And in realistic, companies need formal structure, okay, so that it can work effectively. I'll pause for 30 seconds and you can tell me if there is any difficulty till here.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right.
No,
Fast जा रहे क्या? नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. This is a very interesting point, point number 4, which is going to talk about common culture. Let us see how this is being discussed. Okay, Sarita.
It may not. Yes, ma'am. It may not be possible to develop a common culture in the organization because people differ in their state, attitudes, habits, languages, religions, customs, etc.
Students, the theory is suggesting that, employees should develop the core organization culture in them, which is true because every employee should, keep their own perspectives and belief aside and should always accommodate with the organization's culture. But then, students, it is practically impossible to get all your employees acquainted to your organization culture, okay? Because people differ in their attitude, in their habits, languages, in their religion, in their customs. Okay? Actually, let us not even go with this kind of parameter. Generally, also, human beings differ. We are not same. Two people cannot be same, right? In fact, a same person can also not be same all the time. Agree करते हो ये चीज को?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. सेम पर्सन भी हमेशा सेम नहीं रहते ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज मैंने किसी स्टूडेंट को डांट दिया, ओके, तो वो स्टूडेंट उस दिन बहुत दुखी हो गया कि वो मैम शाउटेड एट मी. नेक्स्ट दिन मैंने वो स्टूडेंट को डांट दिया, वो दुखी होने के बजाय वो एंगर में तो हो सकता है. यस और नो? सो इट हैपेंस
Yes.
विद अस. कभी कभी
Yes, ma'am.
कभी कभी हम क्या करते हैं, कोई जोक को बहुत सीरियसली लेते, कभी नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कल किसी ने कोई जोक किया, ओके, एंड मैंने वो जोक के ऊपर इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, मैंने हंस के टाल दिया. आज वापस से वही जोक रिपीट हुआ. नॉट नेसेसरी कि मैं वापस से आज उस जोक को टाल दूंगी. Possibly I may react violently also for that kind of behavior. So this is like, human beings are different. The two people cannot be same, right? So because of which, since people are different, they come from
Ma'am.
a background. हाँ मैं बोलो ना.
Ma'am, your voice is low in between.
Is it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आपकी
ma'am.
voice में
Bapre. I'm so sorry. Actually, I've got a throat infection, but volume should not be. Then that is a technical issue. अभी आ रहा है आवाज अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, मैं thank you for bringing it to my notice. Guys, ऐसे कभी हो ना आवाज चला गया या जो भी you tell me, हाँ? Okay. All right. So, students, it is not possible to develop common culture, because people differ in their attitudes and in their beliefs. So, सभी को एक चीज मानना जरूरी नहीं है. For example, just one example, if the company decides to launch a new product, okay, so हो सकता है few employees might agree, okay, yes, it is the right time, we should go ahead, we should diversify, we should get into the market, we should penetrate the market, we should get more customers. But there might be few other employees who might believe that, this is not the right time to enter into the market. This pandemic situation, company might suffer more losses. Okay, there might be some employees who might feel that, this launch of new product is a mere burden, or is a mere way of putting extra work on the employee. So people are different. Everyone will have different perception. Everyone will have different way of thinking, right? So since people have different attitudes and different beliefs, okay, generally getting a common culture in them is very difficult. So that becomes my next limitation. All right, moving on to the next point.
Theory Z is based on Japanese management practices. This practice have been evolved from Japan unique culture. Therefore, the theory may not be applicable in different cultures. Thus, theory Z does not provide complete solution to motivational problems of all organizations operating under different types of environment. However, it is not merely a theory of motivation, but a philosophy of managing.
Okay, now this is a very interesting limitation of this theory. What it is saying that, this theory is based on Japanese management practices. Students, Japan country अलग है, वहाँ के लोग अलग है, वहाँ का environment अलग है, correct? Japan का culture अलग है, right? People there, employees there, employers over there are different. Okay, so this kind of theory is applicable to that country. Okay, because वहाँ का culture वैसा है. But this theory is not necessarily going to suit in every countries, right? हर एक देश का एक अलग मानना होता है, हर एक देश का एक अलग. I think every country has their own way of conduct. Okay, so definitely this theory is not going to be applicable to all the countries, right? And then lastly, it is saying that, more than a theory of motivation, it sounds like a philosophy of managing. Actually, students, if you carefully read this theory, okay, though there are so many examples which states that, it is going to motivate the employees, but it sounds merely like a philosophy of managing. मतलब आप manage करने में ज़्यादा busy हो रहे हो instead of, motivating your employees. So this is one of the major limitation of the theory, that it derives from the Japanese management practices, and ये वहाँ के लिए ठीक होगा, but not necessary कि इंडियन मार्केट में ये सूट करे, है ना, या इंडियन कंपनीज को ये सूट करे. Let me tell you, students, since this has been this is here in this point that we are discussing, students, most of the developed countries have a different way of conduct. They consider professionalism, their perception of professionalism is different. For example, in country like France, okay, अगर 6 o'clock आपका time out है, 6:01 को भी, 6:01 को भी, if the employer is shooting a mail to the employee, okay, the employee can file a case against the employer. Okay, that my timeout is 6 o'clock and you are mailing me at 6:01. Okay, so वहां पे वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस देते हैं. In most of the countries, I just gave you example of France. Okay, there are many Western countries who believe in 5 days working in a week and compulsory 2 days off. Okay, all these practices are not yet adopted in our nation. Okay, यहाँ पे employers, I don't think so they are very see, here you can't file a case against the employer if he's sending you a mail at the office, other than office hours. Your people can work 24 hours also, because यहाँ पे employment opportunities नहीं है, right? So what is happening? I think most of the employees, um, yeah, they compromise. And this is not the practice in the other countries, right? So ये जो theory है ना, this theory Z, it is applicable in Japan. वहाँ का unique culture है. Japan as a nation is very advanced, okay, especially in techno products, and over there culture of innovation is more. If I tell you culture of India, I think here we are more of bureaucrats. यहाँ पे इतनी bureaucracy होती है. We are also, I don't think so we have yet, though we are advanced and we are in a neck to neck competition with most of the developed countries, yet again we are still lacking when it comes to innovation. We still need to do a lot of things, to beat with the developed nations out there, right? So Japan के unique culture के वजह से ये theory वहाँ पे applicable है, but not applicable to other countries. I hope the limitation is very simple and you have no
Yes,
doubts.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you found the answer? I mean, theory and the limitation. Nice, na? I really like this answer
Yes,
because
ma'am.
it gives you
Yes,
a
ma'am.
glimpse of both the sides. Okay, a coin having both the side, a head and a tail. So, आपको समझ में आता है. See, it's very, as especially because you are doing HR studies, you should always have, broader outlook, and very important that your perspective should be open to all the sides. Okay? Do not be rigid with your own, with your own presumptions. खुद का ही मानना है, ऐसा कभी मत करो. Okay? Also, learn to look at the other side of the story. So this is how this answer is dealing. It is sharing very interesting things, but in the conclusion, it is also saying that there are certain limitations.
Ma'am,
Hanji, I take a pause and I allow you to please share your views, or if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
यस मैम, मैंने जापान के बारे में एक फैक्ट सुना था मैम कि
Okay.
उसमें ट्रेन अगर 1-2 मिनट भी लेट हो जाए तो ट्रेन का ड्राइवर और सब पैसेंजर से माफी मांगता है हाथ जोड़ के.
This was viral in on social media. I don't know how much it is true, beta, but it might be. They might be doing this, okay, because they value people. Okay, I think जिंदा तो छोड़ दो, मतलब ऐसे कुछ देशों में ना स्टूडेंट्स मुर्दे लोगों को भी बहुत वैल्यू दी जाती है. उनका जो द पर्सन हु इज ऑलरेडी गॉन, ओके, दे टेक केयर ऑफ देम आल्सो. ओके, यहाँ पे आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट आई डू नॉट वांट टू कर्स माय ओन नेशन, बट सैड टू टेल यू दैट हमारे कंट्री में तो जिंदा लोगों की भी वैल्यू इतनी शायद नहीं है. ओके, तो वहां
Right,
पे जैसे
right.
आप जैसे मेरे को बता रहे हो ना कि वहां पे अगर ट्रेन लेट हो गया तो ड्राइवर अपोलोजाइज करते हैं. Might be this, they might be doing this, okay, but do not expect this here in Bombay with our local trains, which is always running late. Okay, so we cannot expect our drivers to apologize us. Okay, so yeah, yes, I have also heard about this, Shubham, that this was viral also. I don't know
यस
how
मैम,
much it is
भी
true.
बहुत ही वायरल हुआ था एक टाइम पे.
Yeah, but I am not really sure how much it is true. But if it is true, I think one should salute this kind of practices, and this is the
यस
way you
मैम.
tell your people, how valuable you are. Okay, I think अगर ये चीज our country is a country with the highest, with a huge population. Okay, 130 crores and plus. Okay, and still counting. So I think human asset is the most valuable asset. Okay, um, and if you invest in your human asset, okay, your country will progress. And how? Okay, I mean, आप बहुत आगे बढ़ोगे और आपके देश को कोई नहीं रोक सकता है. Okay, if your human asset is of a quality asset. However, what I see now around me, and this may not be factual just in terms of perception. मैं जो देख रही हूँ आसपास, I think especially young people spending a lot of time on this new gadgets and like on the social media platform. Then I also read a lot about drugs abuse. Okay, I I read a lot about social issues that are happening in our country. Okay, so समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ का ह्यूमन असेट का क्वालिटी क्या है. ओके, और देश को भी बहुत मेहनत करनी है इस चीज पे. टेक्नोलॉजी तो ठीक है, वो तो एडवांस होगा ही, बट at the first you should invest in human assets. You make your people capable. Okay? अपने लोगों को क्या बोलते हैं पैसे बनाओ कि वो ना लाइफ जी सके, एटलीस्ट बेसिक फूड क्लॉथिंग शेल्टर फुलफिल कर सके, है ना. आई कांट रियली से दैट that people here in our country is पॉवर्टी लाइन. यहाँ पे अभी भी लोग पॉवर्टी लाइन के बिलो द पॉवर्टी लाइन बहुत है. ओके, स्टिल देयर आर स्लम्स. ओके, स्टिल देयर आर, अभी भी बारिश होती है, फ्लड होता है, तो देयर आर पीपल हु बिकम होमलेस. ओके, सो बॉटम लाइन इज we need to, I think ये change कहाँ से start होगा. Let us, we've been discussing so many times, we've been talking about the problems. Okay, instead of going to the other answer, let me just get to know from you. आप मुझे बताइए ना, अगर हमें ये हालात तो पता है, प्रॉब्लम्स भी मालूम है, तो how do you start a change? Come on. There are some brilliant students in the session and I'm very sure they can give their inputs. कहाँ से start होगा change? Come on. Education?
मैम पहले हमें ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा.
Are very nice. Aditya says, okay, I'll just share a whiteboard ताकि मैं सब चीज सारे points को jot down कर सकूं. Change starts, very interesting, huh? Change starts from us. Correct ना? पहले हमें खुद को change करना होगा.
And if we see something wrong is going on, we should not be a part of it.
Okay, just 1 second, na Sarita. Change starts from us, and how does it start? Stop talking about problems. Okay, problems are everywhere. Talk about solutions. All right. फिर उसके बाद में, I'm sorry, सरिता ने क्या point बोला था, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. Could you please repeat?
When we see something wrong is going on, we should not be a part of it and we should not contribute in it.
Okay, she says that, if you notice something wrong, okay, don't be a part of it. Okay, but I would also like to contribute more in this point. Instead of Khali, don't be a part of it, okay, don't be indifferent. I think this is something very important. Okay, don't be indifferent. ओके, आई थिंक हमारे कंट्री में ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. कुछ हो रहा है ना गलत, तो हम सोचते चलो उसके साथ हो रहा है ना, अपने को क्या करना है. हैव यू हर्ड दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन बाय पीपल?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is not done. Okay, we cannot
Ma'am,
be
the
saying
fear
this.
to take stand.
हाँ, okay, I think महक का ये point, we should learn to take a stand. Okay, whether the problem is of एक सेकेंड, हाँ, प्रॉब्लम हमारी हो या फिर if the problem is of us or if it is of others. Correct na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Boldly take a stand. Okay, if you notice something is wrong, I think it's our duty to point out what is wrong. Okay, it starts from our house, it starts from it starts from classmates, from college, from friend circle, from workplace. Anything which you feel is wrong is wrong and nobody can justify wrong. So आप वहां से start करो हिम्मत. Okay, if you notice something is wrong, come on, stand up and say this is wrong. For example, if anyone in your family member is talking about dowry, I think you all are educated enough to and should be bold enough to say that this is wrong. I do not support this. Okay, you do it, but I do not support this. So this is one thing in one way. फिर सिमिलरली कॉलेज में भी अगर कोई आपको ऐसा बोलता है कि ये वो हमारे रिलीजन का नहीं है, उसके ग्रुप पे मत जा, you have to take a stand and say no, this is wrong. You cannot be deciding your friends on the basis of religion. Okay, what's the point of your education then, right? So yes, over there also what is wrong is wrong. So you can start taking a stand. और कुछ जो आप कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहोगे यहाँ पे? That's it, guys. I thought you all are going to make my whiteboard all like पूरा बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे इसमें. ये सेशन is going to get over, huh? That's it, guys. My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay.
And never be a part of illegal things.
Okay. All right. I think this is also something one should take a second, huh? Do not be a part of illegal things. There are illegal. You might come across people who will make you. Just a 1 minute. एक second, huh, guys. Yeah. So do not be a part of illegal things. In fact, there might be people who will influence you to make a quick money, okay, through illegal ways. Do not get influenced. Trust your capabilities. You can do much better, okay. फिर और क्या हो सकता है बताओ?
सही पॉलिटिकल लीडर को सिलेक्ट करना.
I think very interesting. Please select your people on the basis of their intelligence, okay? Be it area cooperator, be it your MP elections, ये सब चीजों के टाइम पे ध्यान दो कि आप जिसको चूज कर रहे हो ना, okay, you're not choosing on the basis of religion, on the basis of his speech or all of it. Instead, you choose people who are intellectual, who are qualified, who have done something good, okay, on the basis of that. So analyze before selecting your leaders. Okay, very important. Not just political leaders, otherwise also. Okay. All right, students. I think the next few seconds the session will get over, and I'll take the new answer in the next class. It was very nice meeting you here.